In this video, we will teach you how to use the Subscript feature in Microsoft Word. Subscripts are required for writing chemical formulas and mathematical expressions. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. To write subscript, first I will select this 2 and pressing Ctrl, I am selecting this 3 also. And in the Home tab, we have one option as a subscript here. So click on it. So second method is, I am again selecting 2 and this 3 using Ctrl key. And by pressing Ctrl and equal to sign, you can make it as a subscript. So this is the second method. Let's move to the third method. So for that, go to Insert, click on Equations, and here we have one option as Insert New Equation. Click on it. In the Script option, we have one option as a Subscript. Click on it. Again go to Script and again select Subscript. So here we'll write F, A. We are designing here ferric acid formula. Click on outside. So see our ferric acid formula also designed. So it's in the italic form. So if you want to change the format of this, select it, go to Home tab and remove this italic sign. So see friends, with the help of 3 ways we are able to design or we are able to write subscript in Microsoft Word. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.